everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're new here, and if you are new here, please subscribe, join the little family. I would love to have you. So today's makeup look is really holiday vibes and I'm like obsessed with it. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I already moisturized my face. Now I'm going to go in with some primer. This is just my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer.
It can be great, it can be good, but it can get worse before it gets better. It can be great, it can be good.
So now I'm just going to go in with some foundation. This is just the Maybelline Fit Me.
It gets better. Fast forward, rewind, but I swear no time feels better than this time. Loving you, loving me.
Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
We will be.
I'm just going to go in with my Airspun Loose Setting Powder.
I've been in and out the feeling, and I get how it can be. It can be great.
So I'm just going to go in with a big powder brush and just blend that in.
Before it gets better, it can be great. It can be.
Now I'm going to go in with my Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's just like a cool tone shade to contour.
You can cry on my shoulder.
Whatever's left, I just run it on my jawline. Now I'm going to go in with that same powder and I'm going to use it to contour my nose.
On my shoulder. You can cry on my shoulder. You can cry on my shoulder.
Now I'm going to blend it out with this tiny little blending brush. Now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. This is just the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Saddle.
On my lips like a kiss from the coldest sea.
Now I'm going to go in with some blush. This is just my Peaches blush by MAC. It's so pretty. I love this color.
Drops on my skin, touch my soul with a feeling that's clean.
This just brings life back into your face. I think it's so pretty. Next I'm going in with some highlight. This is just my Becca Champagne Pop. It looks like this. It's so pretty.
Keep swimming, keep down. You can cry on my soul.
I'm going to clean up my contour just a little bit because it is kind of messy.
If you get sad and lonely, you can come.
Okay, so now I'm going to work on my brows. I want to use a powder today instead of my brow pomade, so I'm going to go in with this Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade right here. It's just like a dark brown.
Be great, it can be good, but it can get worse before it gets.
Now I'm going to go in with some brow gel, and I'm going to run it through my brows, and I'm going to brush all the brow hairs up.
It can get worse before it gets better.
So I'm going to go ahead and remove this bake. For eyes, I'm going to go in with this little Natasha Denona palette. This one is called the Mini Sunset. This one is so pretty. It just has like a bunch of like warm tones, and I think this is perfect for the winter time. Okay, so first I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, and this one is called Guava. And I'm just going to be placing this in my crease.
Don't you wish you had it, baby? Picture me.
And I kind of want to drag it out. I want this to be kind of like a winged out look. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this one is just called Dirty Mars. And I'm going to put this on the corners of my eyes and also like in my crease, but not so far up. I'm just going to keep going back and forth between brushes just to blend it out. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Sunbeam. And I'm going to pack this on my entire lid.
To be a winner, I'm just wondering how or if you'll ever come around. Da, do, da, do, da.
So now I'm taking the shade right here, and this one is called Halo, and I'm going to put this in my inner corners. So now I'm going to take a shade from my Mono Renaissance palette, and it's just called Cypress Umber. This one right here, and I'm going to make a wing and actually smoke that out. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506, and I'm just going to blend those wings out. So now I'm just going to give my lashes a little curl. And I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Okay, so I applied lashes. Now we're going to do lips. I don't know if I should go in with this shade because I feel like it kind of looks like gross. I don't know, but I'm going to try it. It's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Berlin. Okay, well this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.